Okay, so now here is the new part. Here is the new part. Okay, so now we are putting that multi, right, with distributive and combining like terms in with solving equations. We're going to do the two things together. I know that is not as easy as you want it to be. Okay, so our barrier does not change. Okay, we are going to, 1, do our barrier. 2, distribute. 3, combine like terms. 4, isolate variable. And that will be good for now. Okay, so again, barrier, and then we look for, is there a number outside parentheses, right? Like in this example right here, is there a number outside parentheses in our number 1? No. So if we kind of do our steps over here, barrier's good. Distributing is good because there is none, so it's good. Combining like terms. So is there anything that can be combined? So we have a 5x and I have a negative 3x or minus 3x. So 5 minus 3 is 2x plus 2 equals 14. Well, that's just a 2-step equation. So exactly what we just reviewed. I want to get this alone. What's standing in my way? The plus 2, inverse, minus 2 on both sides. 2x equals 10. Get x alone, I need to divide by 2 on both sides. That's it. So when I say isolate the variable, that's literally the solving piece. When I say isolate the variable, that's literally the solve for letter piece. Okay? That's all that it means. All right, for 2, some of you might remember from the IXL last week, right, where we had that number on the outside and then we divided. But on here, if I do 22 divided by 5, you can do it, but it's going to be a decimal, right? It's going to be a pain in your butt. So your best bet would be to just distribute. So I'm going to keep my 22 here. And then again, I have 5 times y plus 5 times negative 8. Again, it's kind of like saying this doesn't exist. Just do this and get what you need, and then worry about the solving. So I have 5y plus 5 times 8 is 40, and it's negative. So this is going to be plus negative 40 or just minus 40. So I'm going to have 22 equals that. And some of you are going to be like, what? The number and on the other side, and what are we going to do? And I can't do that, and it's just a struggle. Bah! And that's okay. So we did the barrier, and we distributed. Is there any terms that we need to combine? Nope. So this is what I want to get alone. What is standing in my way? So the inverse of that is plus 40 on both sides. That goes away, leaving me with 5y. 20 plus 40 is, 22 plus 40 is 62 divided by 5. And 62 divided by 5 is 12.4. And if you divided by 5 and then added, you would have gotten the same answer.